What is up, everybody? Oh, still snow on the ground. So, I haven't made a video in a while. I just haven't had much content. I haven't been working on the car. And I don't want to just make bullshit content, so I'd rather put nothing out than a video I'm happy with. The next step is like, I should probably do the brakes first, but I want to take it for a first test drive. Still snowy here. I haven't really checked out the alley here in the last couple days. If it's not snowy, I'll go for a test drive. Just want to see how far this gate will open. Okay. Looks okay. Well, so it's more than wide enough, honestly. You got from here to over there. I'm just nervous. That's really what it is. I don't want the thing to grenade on me and me to have to push it alone all the way back home. You know, it comes down to just trusting the build. I don't fucking trust the build. I guess when it warms up just a little bit more, I'll do it. A couple more hours.
1 hour later.
All right, here we go. First test drive. Wish me luck. Alright, that's not good. Let's see what's going on with that. Of course my laptop's dead. Seriously? That's crazy. Alright. Let's give it one more shot because it's cold. You know? Okay. And I gotta go charge the laptop and see what's up. Hopefully this will do it. Alright, go back inside and try this again. Let's give this another shot here. That's much better. not building any pressure. Oh, she got up there. I fucking hope you guys heard that last psh, whatever the fuck that was. I don't know what that was. Well, that was successful. Hopefully it's not just straight piss and oil. Wow. That was fucking fun. I'm shaking. I'm shaking right now. That was so much fun. I know I didn't go fast. I hit like 2 PSI. That bitch took it, man. She was ripping. She was fucking ripping. That was a shit ton of fun. So hopefully it's not pissing oil everywhere. I didn't leave a trail behind me anywhere in the dirt. I really do need to get my sandwich filter adapter tightened on. It is leaking a little bit of oil. So I'm gonna let this cool down, check the oil, see how everything's doing. Whew. I'm fucking hyped. So yeah, if you are new to this channel, make sure you subscribe because I'm gonna be dropping videos. I said every Friday, but I just can't do that. I don't have enough content. My next video coming up is gonna be dropping really soon. It's gonna be talking about the next car that I'm gonna buy and or the next amount of money that I'm gonna drop into this one. So I don't know really which way I'm gonna go yet. I'm allowed to spend a little bit of money on my cars, so I'm not really sure which way I wanna go. I really do want an RX-7 shell. But then again, you can't drive a fucking shell, so I should just dump some more money into this, maybe buy a B series or a K series, better turbo. I could just upgrade this one. Either way, yeah, make sure you guys have subscribed. If you haven't already, smash that like button and let me know in the comment section below what you guys are working on in your garage. So I'm gonna go edit this video and figure out what that fucking burning plastic smell is. That can't be good. All right, take it easy guys, stay one, peace.